making a one-liner throw-up. A one-liner throw-up is a throw-up made with one consecutive line. For this example, I want to make the tag snow, so starting with an S and seeing how we can transfer that by looping it into an N. Now we want to make it go into an N. And as you might notice, I didn't actually complete and round off the S because we need to loop it into the next one. It's just very important that you plan ahead, look at where each letter are starting and where it's ending and what letter you're going into next, so you can play in the next letter and the next letter from there. So I'll just make a loop and that will go over this N, but then I'll turn it into an O. Because the O is so far below the N, I'll actually make the W a little bit above the O, so we have like a balance. Then you could have ended it up like this. So that's a one-liner throw-up where it says S-N-O-W, snow.